sandy, it's a little rocky with some rocks here and there, but it's pretty premium. I just got to get this bike figured out because I'm going to be camping tonight, and I think tomorrow morning I'm going to go riding as well. No, I'm not doing super technical stuff, and I don't really plan on it.
That's probably the roughest fucking trail.
So right now I would prefer the clutch not being able to fully disengage than not being able to fully engage. Doing some trail work?
Yeah.
Awesome.
You're welcome to hang out.
The next 2 months.
Alright, so I'm riding with this group of older guys, and they have 2 chainsaws. Maybe we've just been clearing the trails. Some fucking massive trees. The bridge is not up. Well, that one is.
Right here, but be careful your tag right here.
Thank you.
That works.
Yeah.
Fast as you can go, maybe you'll crash the other side.
Whew.
There used to be a bridge there,
Yeah, I see that.
and then we used to cross the creek, and them rocks are slicker than shit. I've swung my bike in there before, and
Jeez.
it's loaded down there.
Oh, wow, okay.
So you don't want to go in that.
Yeah.
That's going to get hot on the next section. You got a fan?
I got one.
You'll be all right.
All right. Is it just super uphill?
Huh?
Is it just pretty uphill?
It's all uphill, and it's
All right.
bouldery and rooted out.
Might be the worst
That's
uphill.
probably the roughest fucking trail on this side. It's not nothing you're going to die on. It's just fucking rough.
Yeah. god.
Yeah,
That's so good.
That's just the beginning.
Shit, really?
Yeah. We'll just stop and cut a tree out.
Wow.
Are you stuck? Are you stuck in the tree?
I'm tree trimming.
I figure it's a good place to take a little break
Whew,
for the next gauntlet.
Arm pump's getting to me a little bit.
Yeah, all of us, this is my first fucking real ride. I've been down in California riding on some stupid logging roads and shit.
Oh.
Trail maintenance back here.
That's one way to do it. Oh. That's one way to get up.
You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I just
All right,
fell off the
take it
back.
easy.
Oh, I'm out of breath. Man, how to get the cardio up. Oh. God, this thing's fucking heavy. Okay. Thank you.
Deep in the snow there.
Bit of a rut.
I bottomed out. Did you bottom out?
Yeah, I was just plowing it.
Have you ever rode in snow where it's like a long ways?
Yeah, yeah, but I was up at Brown's camp by the beach.
Oh, yeah.
This kind of fall, but I didn't have this bike, and I just had like a 250 without a radiator.
Right.
And shit tire, and it was horrible.
A lot of.
Yeah. That thing
Too
was.
bad until you got to get off and push, and then.
Yeah.
What lake is this here?
Can maybe get over that.
Before you'd ever.
Oh, okay, sweet.
So they're there, but they're a ways over.
Alrighty, thank you. This trail, we were chatting. And they were saying it goes up to the viewpoint.
Go that way with it, probably.
Go that way or this way, whatever way you
There's a
want.
tree over there.
Which way? Maybe just flop it down and roll it over there? Or
Probably.
just pick this up and toss it?
Here, let's see. We can, if we get this up over there, then we can roll it over and toss it.
Okay.
Here, you want to grab this side? We'll try and go up and over. Ready? Go.
There you go. Sweet. Okay.
Ready?
Oh, shit.
Oh boy.
I got it on my knee. We're good.
Okay. Ready? Go up. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, where are we going?
Straight ahead.
Okay. Oh,
There we go.
mint.
Right together.
Good job just sitting on your bike all day.
He's got to hurry. I'll give him a long
All here. Yes. Wow. Okay, yeah, the arm pump. Super gnarly. I have not been talking much because this is really just challenging and I'm fucking focusing a lot. But I mean, there's no words. I mean, like, I can barely hold on to the bike right now. But I mean, oh, fuck. What was that? Yeah. So good. What? This fan's... Yeah, just a bit.
It's all the same.
That was...
It's all the same.
That was so fun.